Chaliye, let's discuss this new pattern and then what you can do in next 2 months to reach, I would say, 95, 96, 95, 95, 96 kind of a percentage. 99 plus, if you're starting just now, I would say 99 plus is going to be a little tough, but not impossible. You'll just have to dedicate your life, next 2 months, की life to CAT now, right? चलिए, let's discuss this CAT new pattern now. First of all, there's a lot of rumors around, ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है, ऐसा हो गया है, वैसा हो गया है. First of all, the CAT has just changed the pattern. So what? Right? Ask yourself this question: तो भाई क्या हुआ? It's not a surprise that CAT is given only to you. It's for all the candidates. Right? 2.5 lakh बच्चा, 3 lakh बच्चा जो बैठने वाला है CAT exam में, it's for everyone. It's common across the board. Right? You are surprised. Everybody else is surprised too. Right? कि भाई अब क्या होगा? Right? So CAT has just added this surprise factor and see how you react to it. Again, a trait of a good manager. Right? जो तुम बनने जा रहे हो CAT crack करके अच्छे 20 स्कूल से पढ़ने के बाद जो तुम बनोगे manager, that is a trait that is going to be tested. कि हाँ भाई, for example, COVID happened. Right? What are these big managers across the globe doing about it? It was never accounted for. Right? The forecast निकाल रहे थे लोग countries के global growth, country growth. Right, these big managers and analysts and economists, उन्होंने कभी factor नहीं किया था. And oil prices, you must know, negative हो गए थे एक time पे बीच में. Right, this negative oil price was never factored into economics also. कि भाई oil कभी negative हो सकता है. It was futures and options जो होते हैं. Futures के prices oil के negative हो गए थे because लोगों के पास oil पड़ा था. Futures के, if you know what futures are in finance, right? But they didn't know how to store that oil. Right, storage cost was getting added up. So oil prices got turned negative, right? People were just dumping oil, futures, oil ke futures. So there's a difference between commodity ka price and futures ka price, right? So economists never factor that in कि भाई negative भी हो सकता है कभी oil के prices, right? Minus 24% growth जो अपनी हुई है, right? आज की date में it was never factored in, right? Now how the world is, I would say, reacting to it is something that is testing the wits of, I would say, big analysts and economists and so on, or these big people. The same thing has happened. Right? Consider it to be a COVID shock, right? Not factored in, right? इतने साल तैयारी कर ली, महीने तैयारी कर ली, and last 2 months CAT is saying the pattern is going to change. The number of questions is not revealed, but time is going to reduce, number of thoughts is going to increase, and so on. Right? But again, so what? Right? Life has to move on. Right? If it's a surprise for you, it's a surprise for everyone else. So do not worry about it. कि भाई से मेरे को target कर रहा है CAT ने. Do not take it personally. It's for everyone, and everybody is shocked. Everybody is reacting to it. You have to react. Shock को absorb करो और आगे बढ़ो. That's it. That should be your strategy. Rather than अरे क्या हो जाएगा? I don't think I can do it anymore. अगर 60 questions हो गए, 70 questions हो गए, I'm done. I'm doomed. मेरे से CAT तो नहीं होगा. NMAT कर लेते हैं, IFT कर लेते हैं. No, that is what this opportunity. This is an opportunity for those toppers, right? कि उनको पता है कि भाई ये 100% लोगों में से आज की डेट में 40-50% लोग are scared because of this pattern change, right? I'll take benefit of it. I'll leverage this fear, right? So you have to be those toppers, amongst those toppers जो कि leverage करेंगे दूसरों के fear पे, rather than be in those 40-50% जो कि खुद डर रहे हैं, or who are a victim of fear themselves, right? Nothing changes. You just stick to 50% plus net score strategy. 100 questions आए, 180 question आए, 200 question आए, 1000 question आए. CAT has always been an exam for past 20 years. You attempt 50+% of the paper, and you are a 99 plus percentile. 98.5, 99 plus percentile. That's it. That is what you have to follow. 60 questions हो, I would say 10 question भी होए, right? 3 QA के, 4 DILR के, 3 VARC के, तब भी आपको एक question, एक 2 question max attempt करने और 50% पे जाना है. That's it. Doesn't matter how many questions are going to be coming next, right? So ask yourself, so what? You're not the only victim. Everybody is victimized here. Everybody is a victim here, but come out of this shock. CAT has just added this surprise factor, just like COVID. Globally, everybody is surprised. Everybody is shocked कि भाई कैसे factor in करें अपनी company की growth को, country की growth को, global growth को, with this COVID coming in. What to do next? Nobody knows. But again, people are, you must have seen पिछले 3-4 महीने से people are coming out of this hole. They've defined a new normal. That is what being human is, right? So absorb it and move forward. Third, stick to the strategy of 50+% is what you have to score, net score. That's it. This is what the comparison is between old pattern and new pattern. पहले होता था 3 hours, 180 minute, अब and 2 घंटा. Again, a lot of people are attributing it to COVID only, that they don't want people to be sitting in the hall for 3 hours, and a lot of people shouldn't be there. in the hall for those 3 hours. So what they'll do is, instead of 2 slots, they'll now have 3 slots. So come log bulayenge. Probably they'll keep that social distancing wala norm also. Ki bhai, you have to, every alternate seat will have one candidate sitting. चिपक चुपके नहीं बैठेंगे जैसे आज तक CAT में होता था. If you have experience, if ever taken CAT, trust me, it is one of the worst experiences if you have got a bad center, and 60-70% centers are bad centers. You have no idea how I took CAT last time, right? छोटा सा screen दी गई थी मेरे को, ना मैं अपना right elbow हिला सकता था ना left elbow, right? यहाँ पे गत्ता लगा हुआ था, board, cardboard, and छोटा सा यहाँ पे keyboard, and nothing, dude. There was no, I would say, place to keep my A4 sheet and pencil also, right? ऊपर रख के ध्यान से कि भाई keyboard पे को button ना दब जाए. I had to solve those questions. So this is what the experience had, but it's good. I would say अब space मिलेगी आपको and you are free. I would say mind free हो जाओगे तुम. Last time क्या था, if anybody in my line, in my row had to go to the washroom, everybody had to get up or adjust their seats. Right? इतनी पतली rows थी. So very bad experience. So 3 hours to 2 hours, 2 slots to 3 slots. पहले 100 questions होते थे. Now how many questions? Not disclosed, but we are guessing that the number of questions are going to reduce to 70, 75. Again, see, you need to understand that CAT has a class. It's a class paper, right? It's not a bad or a, I would say, LOD 0, LOD 1 kind of a paper. It's not a SSC paper. CAT always has a class, right? So I'm going to discuss 3 possibilities that can happen next, but I'm guessing that I would put my chips in this number, 70 to 75 number of questions, or around this number, right? Because this will maintain the sanctity and the respect for this exam. Right, we'll discuss this, but officially number of questions is not revealed. 3 sections remains intact. 60 minutes per section used to be there, but now you'll be given 40 minutes per section. Again, each section equal time, 40 minutes each, total 40 into 3, 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Sequence VARC, DILR, QA is the same. VARC, DILR, QA, nothing changes here. Right, so the only change here is 3 घंटे से 2 घंटा, so the difficulty level will be reduced or it will remain same, is something we're going to discuss next. And 2 slots to 3 slots, it's okay, it doesn't bother you directly. Of course, you're going to get some more space, I'm sure, social distancing ka khayal rakhte hue. 100 questions will get reduced, most probably. Let's see, we'll discuss that next. 3 sections, nothing changes there. 60 minutes per question, now 40 minutes per question, sequence is the same. Okay, you don't have the option to change the sequence or switch between the sections. Probable patterns. This is what I would say will happen. There are 3 possibilities, but again, this is my theory, right? This can absolutely change. Nobody knows exactly what's coming next, but these are 3 possibilities I am putting my chips on. I would say most chips would be on this kind of pattern, 70 to 75 questions. So the first thing, if they decide to stick to 100 questions only, पहले होते थे 180 minutes, अब होंगे 120 minutes. Of course, the level of questions will decrease drastically. So if the pattern is 100 questions, 120 minutes is going to be an easy paper. Not very likely to happen, I would say. Still a possibility, but not very likely to happen, right? Because as I said, CAT is a class. And number of questions per section will remain the same. VARC 34, 32, 34, which has been consistent throughout. Abhi tak, pichle kai saalon se. Next is heavy bets on this. 70 to 75 questions, where the difficulty level will be moderate. This is what CAT is about. VARC 25, DILR could be a little less. QA again 25, right? So DILR, the history has been ki DILR questions, number of questions is always less than VARC and QA, right? So we are betting that it will be either equal, all will be equal this time, or this will be like 21 kind of number, and others will increase by another 1 or 2. Right? Heavy bets on this. Third is, again, unlikely to happen, but still a possibility. We don't know that. 65 questions. Here are the 60 to 65 questions. 60 questions hota tha aaj se 5 saal, 6 saal pehle pattern. Okay. Here, what's going to happen is the level is going to increase drastically. A very difficult exam. But again, you need to understand that the CAT authorities, they are moving away from pro engineers for I would say for past 4 or 5 years now. They've been trying to make design paper in a way that non-engineers are also able to score. ठीक है, इसके लिए उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, VARC चैलेंजिंग कर दी। आज में VARC की कट ऑफ इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग एज कंपेयर टू अदर क्वांट सेक्शंस, क्वांट एंड DILR सेक्शंस, राइट। सो अगर तो इस लेवल पे जाता है कैट, दैट इज 65 क्वेश्चन, दैट मींस दे मूव्ड बैक 10 years जब वो इंजीनियर्स को प्रमोट करते थे टू एंटर IIMs एंड अदर B schools, but they have been focusing on non-engineers for quite some time कि भाई non-engineers they don't understand quants really well, their quants is not very strong as good as engineers, क्योंकि engineers engineering की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, AEEE की तैयारी, IIT की तैयारी, right, and they know how to crack these complex or logical questions using formulae, right. They want to move to non-engineers, as in आज की डेट में अगर तुम IIMs की सीट देखो, प्रोफाइल देखो, then still 82 to 85% are engineers in the class, right. This has to change. IIMs are talking about it for a very long time. We want more non-engineers to come in, right. How will that happen? अगर तुमने engineering की तैयारी करी है, you've done quants, you've done DI, you've done LR, right, you will be able to crack these two sections very easily, right. What about VARC? VARC challenging कर दो so that a typical engineer, standard engineer will find it tough and will be easy for a non-engineer. This is something a non-engineer can still, I would say, catch up on versus quants जो कि 11th, 12th, 10th में 9th में लोगों ने पढ़ी थी, right. So if this happens again, I would say this is the last thing. First thing is that they move to something like this, 70-75 questions. Second is that they stick to 100 questions. Third is that they move to like 60 to 65 questions. Difficult exam. Again, why not this? Because again, as I just discussed, it will promote engineers to crack CAT now. It will inspire engineers to crack CAT. That is something they don't want. Engineers to crack CAT. They want non-engineers to come in. The reason this can happen, also, this can happen. Either CAT sticks to 75, that is the same. अगर आप pro rata basis पे भी करते हो, 3 घंटे 100 question, right? और उसको 2 घंटे कर दो, 66.67 round off करके you will move to 70, which is going to be a more moderate level rather than 60-65. ठीक है? Because see, you need to understand 60-65 का मतलब around 20-21 questions each, right? इसमें 8-10 question attempt करना will be still medium level. Rest 10 attempt करना will be very tough for the candidate. This is something engineer will be able to crack, not a non-engineer. तो सारे यहीं पे रह जाएंगे 7-8-9 questions पे non-engineer, और engineers ले जाएंगे बाजी, right? That is why QA, DI, LR, VRC, और VRC को कितना ही टफ कर लेंगे, right? Non-engineer को भी promote करना है in I would say not a sense कि भैया कोई भी crack ना कर पाए उन VRC questions को, right? So they shouldn't be moving to this pattern is what my guess is. Okay, any doubts, anybody? This is about the new pattern. Let me know if you have any doubts. Otherwise, I'll move to 2-month strategy next. Any questions? So, next, what should you do in next 2 months? Right? काफी time waste हो गया सोचने में ही, ऑफिस के इधर-उधर चक्करों में. We don't get time. We are working for 12 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. Everybody is doing that. तुम कोई वखरे पैदा नहीं हो, तुम कोई अलग पैदा नहीं हो इस दुनिया में, ना इस देश में, कि I'm the only बेचारा in this country, right? Our work-life balance in this country is already skewed. We all know it, right? We believe in working more rather than working smart, right? And it comes from top down. It's not your fault. It comes from top down, right? दो कैंडिडेट्स हैं, एक अगर 12 घंटे काम कर रहा है, दूसरा जेन्युइनली 8 घंटे जिसके लिए पैसा मिल रहा है उसको वही काम करके निकल रहा है, तो उसको प्रेफरेंस नहीं देंगे. कोविड के टाइम पे ये निकला होगा सबसे पहले, राइट? ये 12 घंटे वाले को रोका होगा, राइट? दे वांट asses, not smart people at workplace, right? So again, this thing is that don't victimize yourself. Everybody is doing it now. You just have 2 months in hand. It's a reality, right? Either you just stay in the dream that मेरे को time मिलेगा, ideally I'll get all 24 hours to myself to prepare for CAT. That is not going to happen. For that, you'll have to move back to your college days, right? When you got a break after college and before CAT, right? If that is not the situation, please understand the reality. This is it. This is what the situation is. 12 hours your office is demanding. Okay, I have to go and contact them and tell them that, hey, I need probably LOA, leave of absence, or I'll have to manage somehow in these 12 hours only, right? Of course, when I say 12 hours, I'm not continuously working for 12 hours. I've also worked with a company like Accenture, right? In office, I would open my mobile or Google some random CAT questions and start solving, right? After 3 hours of working in the morning, I'll go and do this, right? From a mobile phone, I'll start studying. I'll start reading RCs. Google खोल के बैठ जाओ in another tab, start reading RCs, practice one RC, practice one question, things like that. This is something that you will have to do. Otherwise, just forget cracking CAT altogether. This is what the reality is, right? So what you can do in next 2 months, I'm going to tell you how to prioritize, what to do next, what all topics to pick up so that you can still reach 95 to 96 percentile, if not a 99 percentile. और 99 तक भी कैसे पहुंचना है, I'm going to discuss as a part of this whole discussion. Okay. Plan of action should be, first of all, now is the time to get into the mind of CAT paper setter. ठीक है, अरुण शर्मा की बुक्स पढ़ी आपने, मॉक टेस्ट करे हैं. Now is the time that hey, okay, only 2 months left. Now let me focus my study to CAT relevance. Let me get CAT relevant. Right? How do you do that? Refer to past years CAT papers. Past 20 years CAT paper is something you need to pick up and solve twice in these 2 months, at least. Sare questions. So check this out. On an average, if you take like, I would say, पहले 180 question भी आते थे, 150 भी आते थे. On an average, if you take 100 questions from past 20 years CAT, right, you have a database of 2,000 questions, right? You have to solve these 2,000 questions twice. And this is not a conjecture that, hey, these are the questions that can come. These questions have really come. They've appeared in CAT exam, right? So this is going to take you to the reality by, okay, this is the level of CAT, right? 4,000 questions, if you 4,000 times, what I would say. So 2,000 questions, if you've done like pura chart diya aapne bilkul achhe se, I would say you will be able to crack 30%, 40% of the paper just by using this database, right? 30%, 40% of the paper is a 95 percentile strategy, right? Past years CAT papers, 20 years, pick them up, solve them. ये करके अगर तुम बैठ जाओ 92, 95 कहीं नहीं गया. Okay. Next is gain practice regularly. This has to continue. Arun Sharma LOD1 books. LOD1 only if you are now I would say sticking to 95, 96 strategy, right? If you think that hey you can move past LOD1, then pick up LOD2. Do not pick up LOD2 right away. अगर आप LOD2 पे पहुंच गए हो, टूटा मोटा तैयारी आपकी चल रही है, I would say move back to LOD1 and crack all the questions, solve all the questions once again, right? And again, please follow the sequence. Do not. So when I say 95 percentile strategy is LOD1 and 99, 98 percentile strategy is LOD2, does not mean only LOD2. It means LOD1 first and then LOD2. 98 बिना 95 achieve करे नहीं आएगा, right? So you have to move from zero. You have to start taking the paper. I mean, start appearing for the CAT exam on the D-day. 0 questions you would have attempted when the time started. Then you would have attempted 10 questions and 20 questions, 30 questions. Right? So it's a sequence. You have to respect this, right? So respect this that hey, agar mera bhi LOD1 complete nahi hua hai, I'm still struggling with LOD2. I don't know why. I would say move back to LOD1, start practicing again. Okay, and stick to it. If you think that nahi ho pa raha isse zyada, I don't have much time. Okay, LOD1 would be good enough to achieve 95, 96 percentile. Then test yourself regularly. This is very, very important, right? These two are again learning and practice. Right? This is testing yourself within a particular time window. Take a sectional test, I would say once in 2 days. Kisi ka bhi utha lo, QA, VARC, LRDI, you have IMS mocks, you have like 6,000, 7,000 questions there. Take one sectional test in 2 days. Doesn't matter the score. Okay, I think they'll also be revising the number of questions in a section now. 40 minutes of kar denge, I'm sure, so that you get used to that 40 minutes. 40 minutes mein how to react to questions is something you're going to learn from this third point. Otherwise, you'll be like, sir, aata to sab kuch tha meko paper mein, but I don't know, I couldn't attempt more than 4 questions, 5 questions. Right? Because it's in your head that, arey, aata hai mereko, let me take as much time as I want, because you have been only learning and practicing. Testing is equally important. So take a sectional test once in 2 days. Fourth is final time management and preparing your body for the D-Day. Preparing your body and your mind for the D-Day. Right? Your body as in, arey 2 घंटे बैठने की आदत नहीं है मेरे को. right? That to सुबह 9 बजे अगर पेपर हो गया 9 से 11, I don't know, I feel very sleepy. I wake up at 10, 11 only, right? On weekdays. Okay. Then one slot we are expecting would be 4 to 6, could be 4 to 6 also. But शाम तक तो मेरे को नींद आ जाती है, दोपहर को siesta time होता है मेरा, right? So the body is not used to sitting for those 2 hours during that time, right? So I would say keep practicing. Start sitting for those 2 hours. Take those full length mocks a week, 1 or 2 full length mocks a week for next 8 weeks. So that's going to be like 8 to 16 mocks. अगर आप कर लेते हो with this honesty that I'm talking about, good enough. Plus one sectional test in 2 days. सारे sectional खत्म हो जाएंगे by the time CAT nears. Then practicing LOD1 questions. LOD1 questions is a database of around, I would say, 7,000, 8,000 questions. Plus CAT questions, which is database of 2,000 questions. You still have like a lot of things to do, right? And you never know, probably just attempting LOD1 and CAT questions and these sectional tests and full length mocks can take you to a 99.5 plus percentile. I would say when I was preparing for my 98.3 that I scored in CAT was on 15, I don't think I solved all LOD2 questions. And this was my only source. And I took full length mocks. That's it. No sectional, nothing. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था उस टाइम पे इतना खर्चने का 10,000 रुपए. राइट? अरुण शर्मा सर की बुक्स थी मेरे पास, LOD1 मैंने सॉल्व करे थे उसमें से, और बहुत मजा आता सॉल्व करने में. LOD2 में थोड़ा चैलेंज लगता था, so yeah, 50% of LOD2. And then I would say full length mocks लिए थे मैंने उस टाइम पे CL के. That's it. I think I wouldn't have taken more than 10 mocks. This was my whole universe, and of course past years papers. This was my whole universe, and I'm sure I could have scored a 99.3 plus also at that time, but again, confidence was not there in my second attempt of CAT. In my first attempt, when I scored a 93 percentile, confidence was lacking. In this also, I think confidence was lacking. In the back of my head, I was thinking about what is there to lose, right? And uske baad to I've been scoring in excess of 99.3.4 plus for some time now, right? Because I don't have anything to lose anymore. So this fear was out of my mind. कि भाई अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा मेरे लाइफ में, right? But when I didn't have that fear, I was like bindas in the paper, dude. Everybody is a gada in this hall. I am the only one who can crack this exam, right? In 93 वाले में ये हालत मेरी टाइट हो गई थी जब मैंने सबको देखा था आसपास, जैसे IITians बैठे हैं, NITians बैठे हैं, right? These triple IITians are sitting. How can I compete with them here? I don't think I can do it. I think the only challenge with this CAT 2014 attempt was this only, कि भाई I don't think I can do it. Next, थोड़ा fearless होकर आया मैं. सबसे पहली चीज आके मैंने एग्जाम हॉल में बोली, सब गधे हैं जो सारे बैठे हुए आसपास. आई एम द ओनली वन हु विल क्रैक दिस एग्जाम. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द स्टार्ट्स आर आल्सो लाइक दैट. फ्रॉम एवरी सेंटर, 1 or 2 people from every room they go to 98.5, 98 plus kind of percentile. So सारे जो प्रे करके बैठे हैं, हाथ जोड़ के बैठे हैं, आंखें बंद करके बैठे हैं, स्मार्ट लग रहे हैं दिखने में, अरे ऐसी की तैसी. आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज गोना क्रैक दिस एग्जाम. एंड that थोड़ा सा I would say fear was still there, but I scored a 98.3. उसके बाद अरे सब है ही गधे. Clearly it's proved now for past 2 years, right? So even if you stick to LOD1, past year papers and only full length mocks, this is something I did, but again I did it very smartly. Every question had some strategy. Every question had some learning for me, not like randomly कर लिया और चलो अब आगे बढ़ो. Right, so focus on quality, I would say, for next 2 months, not on quantity. Quantity ऐसा भी नहीं कि 100 क्वेश्चन करें आज से लेकर 2 महीने तक, right? This number has to be like 5,000, 6,000 कम से कम. ठीक है? So this is a plan of action. Now, again, I'm going to discuss, I would say, section-wise strategy, right? Chapter to chapter and section to section. First, we're going to talk about QA, then VAS, and then finally BAS. And always remember, this is something I think a lot of people have forgotten. This is a whole process of learning, any learning that you talk about, not just CAT. First, you understand, what are the basics, what is the skill required to, excel in this particular field, in this case, CAT. Then you revise that concept a lot. Then practice a lot of different questions, applications. And then in this case, you'll have to finally appear for those full-length mock tests. You lack anywhere, you go back and you change your strategy. This has to be a sequence, right? And check this out. strategy I've been discussing with you, and this section-wise strategy I'm going to discussing with you. I'm assuming that you still are spending 10 to 11 hours each day at work, college, right? You can take out 3 hours a day on average over weekdays and 4 hours a day, 4 to 5 hours a day on average over weekends. So still have around 23 hours a week. I've rounded off to 25. I would say 1-2 घंटा तो तुम ऊपर डाल ही लोगे इसके. For next 8 weeks, you have 200 hours. 200 hours is more than enough to crack CAT here, right? Considering that you are not starting from zero anymore, right? अगर तुम 30-40% पे भी हो, यहाँ से तुम्हें बस 20-30% और ऊपर लेकर जाना है मेरे को. That's it. And this, I mean, your concepts are clear, you're practicing enough, but result nahi aa raha, right? So that means that there's something lacking in practice. That's it. It's not concept that is lacking. It's practice that is lacking right now in you guys. Concept wise, I would say even if you are at 30-40%, not 60-70 or 80%, that's good enough for me to take you to a, I would say 98-99 percentile still. It's just that you have to get rid of that fear कि भाई मैं कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, CAT ने ऐसा कर दिया अब तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाऊंगा. No, forget it. Right? And then aspirant, and you are serious about cracking this CAT 2020, not 2019, and aspiring a score in excess of 90 plus percentile, and you have bought IMH test series. Let's talk about QA. आज से 2 महीने तक क्या कर सकते हो आप to still crack that QA section? Easy ones first, right? Start with arithmetic, right? Pick up in this sequence: ratios and proportions, mixtures, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, percentages and partnerships. This will be, I would say, 15 to 20% of your paper. Right? You can add TSD here, but TSD is, I usually generalize, I categorize in, I would say, moderate. TSD is not an easy one. Right? So this is 15 to 20% of the paper. अगर आपने सिर्फ ये topics पढ़ लिए arithmetic में, right, you are 80 percentile. और अगर आप सारे सही कर रहे हैं CAT में, इस particular, I would say, section पे, के questions पे, you are 80 percentile already. Next would be partly number system. Number system is not generally categorized as a very easy one, but I'll say partly, yes, there are some concepts which are very straightforward. Remainder theorem is there, factorization is there, then divisibility rule, simple numbers के ऊपर questions आ जाते हैं, you never know, right? So those kind of topics, if you recall, if you remember, if you revise, I would say good enough, another 5% achieved. Others would be average is very, very important. Logs and surds, now people say, Arey, logs and surds, how is it an easy one? Logs में सिर्फ 5 से 6 formulae हैं, properties हैं. Something we're going to discuss in our algebra class. Logs is the most easy, I would say, chapter. अगर आ गया ये 2-3 formulae लगेंगे एक question में, CAT will not test you on one formula, one property of log. एक question आएगा will test you on 3 to 4 properties altogether. पूछेगा कि भाई 3 से 4 properties लगाओगे तभी आंसर आएगा. So you just have to remember those 3 to 4 properties, nothing else. Log से तुम 50 question कर जाओ and you're good enough. Obviously 50 question में से कोई सवाल नहीं आएगा CAT में, but now you know how to break a question, right? I would say very easy, and log has been appearing in CAT for past so many years now. One question at least appears, right? So it's an easy fetch, I would say. Again, people fear it. The reason CAT is still putting it in the exam, because log दिखने में बहुत difficult लगते हैं. तोड़ने बैठोगे उसको, उस question को, very easy, right? Chord geometry, CAT काफी टाइम से नहीं पूछ रहा, but बीच-बीच में पूछ लेता है. We saw one question like 2 years back, right? So chord geometry, I would say not very important, but is an easy chapter, right? We have discussed coordinate geometry. 10 question हमने discuss कर रहे हैं. LOD1 I hope you have solved from Arun Sharma sir की book. LOD2 भी solve कर लो, coordinate geometry तुम side पर रख दो. Don't have to worry about it, right? So this is the first pick. QA when you are, I would say, preparing for next 2 months. अगर आप QA अब उठा रहे हो, I would say pick in this sequence. Right? So this is gonna amount up to what 25 to 30% of the paper. अगर आपने इतना कर लिया, you are 85-90 percentile in CAT, in QA, easily. ठीक है, मतलब अगर 25 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, तुमने 30% पेपर अटेम्प्ट किया, 25%, चलो मान लो 24 में से, that's like 4 क्वेश्चन. No, not 4 क्वेश्चन, 6 क्वेश्चन. तुमने 6 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर लिए 24 में से, you are 85 percentile. अगर 24 वाला पैटर्न आता तो 80-85 percentile, I won't say much. 6 से 8 question, let's not underestimate. 6 से 8 question, that's like 1/3, 1/4 to 1/3 of the paper of QA, right? नहीं कर पाते काफी लोग, as I said, non-engineers are not able to even, hilafy the question at all. And these 6-8 questions are going to be the easiest ones. Right? Total, agar aap 6-8 questions attempt karte ho, 1/3 of the QA section, out of 24, if it appears that kind of a pattern, I would say you are 80-85 percentile easily. And why is it so? Because non-engineers are actually not able to move any question of QA. I know a friend, I have a very good friend. She's been attempting for CAT for 3 years now. Uske VARC mein is like 99.2, right? 99.5. And QA mein, she has not been able to cross 80 percentile. There's one time, the first attempt, she scored a 32 percentile in QA. In the same year, she scored a 99.2 in VARC. That is the kind of, I would say, disparity we have in non-engineers, their skill. Next, medium level, that is pick second. These are the topics you should pick second. PNC, probability. इनके ऊपर 2 से 3 question आएंगे CAT में, right? And I would say अपना अरुण शर्मा सर की books is good enough. 150 question है, एक दिन लगना नहीं तुम्हें पूरा खत्म करने में. Finish it off. Right? Revise all the concepts and just do them. Solve them once and for all. And then of course pick up past CAT year questions. But this should be the sequence of picking your medium level. I would say the second pick for your 2-month strategy. Then progressions. We just have 3 progressions: AP, geometric progression, and then harmonic progression. ये inequality भी याद रख लेना, the relationship between the 3. Then 2D geometry, very, very important. In medium pick, I would say this is the most important topic. Right? बाकी सब अगर आप ignore करना भी चाहते हो, नहीं पहुंचना चाहते 98-99 पे, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन geometry cannot be ignored. Right? और हमने geometry, triangles and circles, we have finished already. Right? So pick that up again. If not anything, I would say get done with triangles and circles, good enough. Those are 3 questions you'll be in a position to solve. Then number systems, advanced topics, base systems, I would say not a very important topic, but has appeared in CAT. And whenever it appears, an easy question appears.